Yep, definitely waterproof. Had this going about 15-20 minutes, so yep, I say it passes that test, no problem. Alright, we're going to do a test drop from about head height. Survive that. Let's do another one. Couple more. Ooh, right on the bezel too. See, we're some great shape. So I don't think that's gonna kill it. So we'll move on. So we're having fun out here. Kids playing in the pool on the porch. Why not do some flashlight testing? So it's probably about 6 foot down there. So we're gonna throw this up in the air. Probably, I don't know, 10 feet or so. Let it fall and see what happens. Ooh, let's go check it out. Still works. One more. Alright, we're really going to let this one fly this time. Alright, that easily went 15 foot in the ground. Ooh, it turned off. Did we break it? Nope. It is still on. Alright, so we got some digs in it, as you can see, but we're still good. All the modes are still there. Alright, let's step it up. Excuse the noise, we got the bounce house going here, so how about flashlight versus hatchet? Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna give it a good one. It survives this. We know it's good. I'm gonna put it right on the head too. One more. I'm really gonna hit it. Ooh. See if we still cycle. Alright. Still cycles perfectly, guys. This thing is one tough cookie. Well, so pretty much what we have here is one of the toughest lights I've ever tested. It survived water, 20-foot falls. I dropped it probably 7 or 8 more times. I didn't even film. You know, I could mess around and do a whole bunch of crazy stuff on video, but in the end, I want to see how much blunt force trauma this can take. So, only one way to settle this, and that's with the 8-pound sledge. So, first to drop. Okay, we're gonna give it a good, we're gonna hit this thing hard, guys. I can't believe this is still going. And that's what it took, guys. Adios. Alright, so let's talk about what this light took, guys. This thing literally took the beating of a lifetime. You can see the head's not even, it's so dented in over here. I had to take the battery out. The battery was having a bit of reaction. I actually crushed the battery a little, so got rid of that. But you can see it literally took smashing that with the 8-pound sledge to kill it. And the only reason why it killed it, as you can see, is this huge dent right here, which probably crushed the driver. You can see the inside still has structural integrity. There's a little acid in the bottom there that spilled out. Threads are still good. I mean, I can't believe it's at a beating, you know. That is more than anything you'll ever subject a light to. I'll tell you what, guys. But yeah, that was... I heard a fizzle. I don't know if it came up on camera. I'll have to watch it. See if we can... No, that's sealed on there now. But yeah, guys, check it out too. Didn't even break the glass. All that is good quality glass. Did not break the reflector. The only thing we did was dent that head end. This is one tough light.